Do you know how to set up Next.js 15 application for an e-commerce website? Let's find out quickly. Next.js is one of the popular React frameworks that support server-side rendering. Before starting, you should install Node.js on your system. Then open the terminal in the directory where you want to create your application and run this command. Now mention your project name. For this project, I'm going to write the code in TypeScript. That's why I selected yes. If you want to write code in JavaScript, you can select no. You must select yes for the ESLint. It's help you to debug your code. For this project, I will use TailwindCSS. That's why I selected yes. Next, I like to keep everything inside the src directory. And I also need the app router instead of the page router. And keep it no for the rest of them. Our project directory is created. Now open this on VS Code. Then open the package.json file. Next.js 15 use React 19. And you will find all the dev dependencies here. Now open the app directory inside the source and remove the fonts directory. For this project, I will use Google Fonts. To import Google Fonts, open the layout.tsx file and import font from Google. First, I need Poppins font. With weight 400, 500, 600 and 700. The font subset will be Latin. Now add this font on the body. This will apply the font on all the HTML elements. For heading, I like to use Ubuntu font. With weight 500 and 700. I pass this font as CSS variable. And add it on the body. Now open the Tailwind config file and assign the Ubuntu as font family. And mention that CSS variable. Also add fallback font as sans serif. Next, add our theme colors. Now open the page.tsx file and remove all the unnecessary codes. Do the same on globals.css file. Our application setup is ready. Let's start the development part in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next video.